Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove followers on X on your iPhone. So, the ability to remove your followers on X is available on X website, and that option to do that is typically not found directly in the X mobile application. That's why we're going to use your preferred browsing system. So go to x.com, then of course sign in to your X account, and now when you're in, you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen and access your profile. So now go to followers count, and let's go to followers section right here at the top, and you want to find a specific follower that you want to remove from this list, and next to this user you want to tap three-dot button and select option remove this follower, and the last step will be to confirm your action. From this moment, that user will be removed from your follower list, and what's important that they will not be notified. They will have to follow you once again if they want to see your posts. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.